So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on advanced options. Now you want to turn this on. Receive updates from the Microsoft products. You want to turn this on. Now you want to go back to Windows Update and then click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. Then you want to expand system. And now you want to expand current control set. And now you want to expand services. And now you want to find TZ auto update. I'm going to expand this. I'm going to go down to the T section. We're going to go down till we find TZ auto updates right here. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow all of this up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find start. Double click on start. And now this will come up. Now once we're here, under value data in this box right here, you want to type in 3. So I'm going to delete this and then type in 3. If there's any number that's not 3, you want to delete it and then type in 3. Then you want to click on OK. And then once you do that, now we're going to scroll back up and you just want to close out all of this again. So we're just going to deselect everything here. Deselect all these folders. Now we're going to be back here again. And then once we're here, again, you can follow everything I'm doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. Then you want to expand software. Then you want to expand Microsoft. Then you want to scroll down and expand Windows. We're going to scroll down and expand Windows. Now we're going to expand current version. Now we're going to expand Capability Access Manager. So we're going to scroll down till we find Capability Access Manager. You want to expand this. And now we're going to expand Consent Store. Expand this. Now we're going to click on location. Here it is. You want to click on location. And now this will appear on the right side. And now once we're here, you want to find value. Double click on value. You want to set the value data. So in this box right here, you want to set this to allow. So for me it says deny right now. I'm going to delete this and then type in allow. Use the same spelling, capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on OK. And then once you do all of that, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select privacy and security. And now you want to scroll down till you find location. Click on this. You want to turn on location services. Once you turn it on, you just want to restart your computer again. See if that works for you.